Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into Mandeville, and Mandeville is the largest town in Manchester, and it's about to get a little bit larger because Highway 2000 is coming to Mandeville. The road is going to be open in August 2023, and you're going to have so much more economic activity and benefit for Mandeville. You can drive from Kingston to Mandeville in 40 minutes. Sometimes you're in traffic from where you work. Let's say you work downtown or New Kingston. It can take you more than 40 minutes to get from New Kingston to your house or from downtown to your house. So can you imagine? You can drive all the way to Mandeville in 40 minutes. So that is a game changer for this side of the island. Mandeville is going to expand even more. So we are driving into Mandeville, and we're going to take a look at a lot of the developments that are going on because of this highway coming. So you have a lot more plazas being built, you have residential high-rise buildings, you have apartment complexes going up. So Sovereign is building a plaza, Sovereign Mandeville, and Proven is building a huge mixed building. It's going to be residential and commercial, the Vista at the Bloomfield, and you also have a call center going up. A lot of activity. And the Mandeville, or the Manchester Parish Council, is going to be rehabilitating some of these roads, like widening the intersections as part of the Mandeville traffic management system, because like what you see going on here, because they know what's coming. A lot more activity is coming to Mandeville. So that's the Manchester Shopping Centre right there. Here you can see another intersection being worked on. The road is being widened because they expect a lot more. Well, everybody knows a lot more activity, a lot more traffic is coming. This is another one that's being worked on here. Actually, a subscriber had asked us to make a video of these traffic management things that are going on with the roads. So we're now on Caledonia Avenue. Here you can see more work going on. Alright, so straight ahead is the town centre, but we're just going to circle back around and take a look at the roads that they're working on. Not really sure what they're doing here. I don't know if they're going to make it into turning lanes, but they're definitely doing a lot of work with the roads down here. So this is the Manchester Parish Council Chambers on the left. Oh, so this is the Hargreaves Hospital on the left. You also have another large hospital, the Mandeville General Hospital, I think is the name. But there is a public hospital, a government-run hospital in Mandeville. See the work being done at the intersection. I know a lot of the roads they were just widening the intersections, and some roads they were going to put in additional lanes. Straight ahead is, not sure what mall that is. I know that's Caledonia Mall, but definitely needs some renovation, even some painting. And look at that. To the right of it, you have Burger King, and to the left of it, you have KFC. So this mall is in a prime location. Just needs a little fixing up. So they're definitely widening the road here. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated on all the progress that's going on in Mandeville. So remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.